Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about uniform distribution. Uniform distribution of continuous random variable. So x is a continuous random variable, and the PDF of this distribution is given by f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. In the interval a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. This is called x follows. Notation is x follows uniform distribution in the interval AB, right? So, and the value of the function is 0 in other interval or otherwise, right? So, first we will see the graph of this distribution. Let us plot the graph. So, this is x-axis. Let us see the x-axis and y-axis will plot. Let us plot the graph. The value of the function is constant in the interval a to b. So, let us draw this graph in the interval a to b. It will be like a rectangle. This is line constant value in the interval a to b, right? So the value of the function f of x will take on y-axis, that is 1 by b minus a. This is 1 by b minus a, and a and b, here it is x value of x on x-axis, and on y-axis it is function f of x. So we can see that it is a rectangle. Shape of the graph is rectangle, so that's why it is also called as a rectangular distribution. This uniform distribution is also known as the rectangular distribution, and the length of this rectangle is b minus a, and the width is 1 by b minus a. So if you will find the area of this rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to b minus a into 1 by b minus a, which is equal to 1. So since the area under this function or area under this curve is 1, we can say that it is a PDF. For any function to be PDF, it should satisfy two conditions. F of x should be greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x, and integration minus infinity to infinity f of x dx should be equal to 1. So if these two conditions are satisfied by any functions, then it is called as a PDF. Now we'll check these two conditions for this function. By this way we can check it is a PDF, but by finding integration, we'll check whether it is PDF or not. So let us consider the function f of x is equal to, what is our function, 1 by b minus a, for the interval a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. Now we'll check first condition is satisfied by this function, since the denominator is always positive, because it is the condition a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b. So this function will always greater than 0. So first condition is satisfied here, it is greater than or equal to 0. Now we'll check the second condition. Integration of this function for the interval a to b, it is 1 by b minus a dx we will check. So let us find out the integration. 1 by b minus a is constant. So integration of dx will come x only in the interval a to b. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So it will come 1 by b minus a. Basic integration rules of integration, definite integral. So it is 1 by b minus a, and it will be equal to 1. Since these two conditions, both the conditions are satisfied, f of x is greater than or equal to 0 and integration f of x is equal to 1. These two conditions are satisfied by this function, therefore it is PDF. Thank you so much.